It's magic fairy dust.
Hi everyone, I hope this video finds you well because today we're going to be doing something that I don't think has ever been accomplished before. We're going to be testing all three of the most popular types of hard body armor today in a single video that isn't an hour long. The three plates that we'll be testing today are from Caliber Armor, and in no particular order they are as follows. A level 3 plus AR-550 steel cord armor with an anti-spall layer, a level 4 ceramic plate, and a level 3 ultra-high molecular weight polyethylene plate, or as I'm going to stick to for the rest of the video, poly, because I'm not going to say that every single time. Our protocol for today's testing is going to focus specifically on 5.56, and for that we're going to be using Fiocchi's 223A, and we're going to be shooting it out of an 18-inch barrel. The first thing that we're going to focus on is spalling. How many rounds until the anti-spall capabilities of each plate starts to become a factor? It doesn't make a whole lot of sense for a piece of body armor to stop a round only to have a fragment of that round exit out the carrier and sever your brachial artery or something like that. And then the second thing that we're going to be looking at is total destruction. How many rounds until the plate is defeated? We have a ton of ground to cover in today's video, so we best get to it. The first thing I'll say is I'm going to have this set up as chapters, so if you see something that you want to compare in a previous part of the video, you'll be able to mouse around to it. And if you're interested in any of the products that you see in today's video, we do have a discount code for Caliber Armor that I'll have listed in the description box down below, as well as over on the affiliates page. Let's go to the range. Alrighty guys and gals, well, we're down here at the other end of the range. We have our super scientific setup here. We've got a plate carrier that we're going to put each of the plates into. And then as you can see, we've got a super high-tech printing apparatus here. So if we have spalling from a plate, then it should print itself on this piece of cardboard here. And basically we're going to shoot it until we see spalling or until the plate fails. Place your bets in the comment section down below, and let's get to it. Ceramic,
4401.
4401.
4401.
Let it have it.
One, two, three.
Okay.
Now this, you want to start this side?
Yeah.
So
what do we got?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. So we do have some spalling there. And over on this side too. Do you want to count that?
Did that go through the other side?
It did.
Okay. So then one tiny little, yeah.
Do you want to shoot it another 3 times, see what happens?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's just do that. A little bit higher this time. It looks dusty down there.
We nailed it that time. You see all the ceramic flying out?
Yeah, it was pretty cloudy.
Look at that.
So, spall. Yeah, spalling.
Yeah, so,
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
So, much more than we saw last time, obviously.
Yeah, so the first round on this side was just these 4 little chunks.
Yes.
And now we have this.
Yep. And we even have a nice one that's coming through the top right there.
Yep. And,
yeah.
if you notice here, you're going to have a really bad time if you have that on.
I don't think it went through.
Nothing went through. We're good.
Yeah.
I don't know if you can see that or not.
No, yeah. It looks pristine on the back.
Yep. I definitely took a beating here.
Yep. I don't know. What do you think? I don't think we'll be able to get it back in for the other test.
Probably not.
So let's leave it alone. I think everybody can kind of guess at
let's see what it looks like underneath the flap though.
Okay.
More of the same.
How do you feel about having those in your
I feel good now.
Go ahead and flip it around. Let's go steel.
Okay. Don't you feel bad doing this?
Yeah.
Look at that.
Wait till you shoot that UHMP there, bro.
I don't want to do that.
You're gonna make me do that?
I just want to take it home with me. I don't want to destroy it. Look what they did to my boy.
The report is a lot different.
That was a way better string. Look at that. I can shoot sometimes.
Yeah, it's not bad. Dude, I got nothing.
Nope. I got nothing over here.
I see no spall. Let's do another 3. And again, on the steel, second string, so that's 6 total rounds. Cardboard's still looking good. There you go, all 3 rounds, or all 6 rounds. All right, finally got some right there.
Yep.
Which is less, much less than we had
with the ceramic.
With the ceramic.
Yeah, that's,
but that's it right there on that side.
Close.
I don't see any,
nope.
None on that side. But you can see where that one piece cooked through. You did really good though. Because look, I told you to shoot between those 3 groups.
That's what I was going to say.
Those 2 groups.
Old boy came to shoot.
Yeah, yeah. It looks like you should do this more often. Why am I here?
Got it.
Wash your hands.
All right.
Hold that sucker up there, boss.
Well, there we go.
Yeah.
She got hit all right.
Yeah, you can see where the one, you can see the one that.
So that's where it finally cracked.
Yeah.
But if you look at the rest of it, little hairline crack right there.
Yeah.
So 9 shots out of an 18-inch, and we got 1 little thing of spalling.
Yep.
I didn't think it was going to last that long. I really didn't.
I kind of knew that it was because I shot one a couple years ago.
I've shot this before.
Yeah, I did it with 7.62 by 39. Got basically the same exact results.
Ta-da!
Yeah.
All right, now.
Oh. I don't know, man. I think that it fails before it spalls.
I just feel really bad about doing this.
Your conscience hurts
Yeah.
just as bad as mine does.
This is painful. You know, if Caliber, if you're watching this and you want to compensate me for my mental anguish, I'll take a set of those.
What do you got here, boss?
So here's one of them. The other one's one of these 2.
Yep.
And then here's the other one.
Yep.
So we hit towards the bottom edge of this plate, kind of on purpose, because if it survived, we're going to put the next string here.
Yep.
So we haven't looked at this yet, but
yeah, I see no spalling
nothing here
on all the sides. So go ahead and take a gander up underneath of it. Did it pass or? No, nothing. No pass through.
No pass through. We're good.
All right. You're gonna make Uncle Joe unhappy. You're gonna make Uncle Joe unhappy. You keep talking like that. Well, man, I still got no spall.
I got nothing. There's nothing over here either.
Yeah. Yep.
So 1,
all right.
2, 3.
Let's do another 3. Wow.
Nothing.
Check behind it.
A whole lot of nothing.
Check it and see if it went through. I didn't hear any steel though. Proceed cautiously there, boss. If it looks like you're not going to be able to get it back in, then... Dude.
Look at that.
Are you kidding me?
Definitely got some deformation.
Yeah, we've got some back face deformation. Look how thick that sucker is right there.
Look at that, though. That's 9 shots.
Yeah, man.
And I hit the 1 all the way on the edge.
Yeah, that's pretty impressive.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Yeah.
I mean, we did it.
All right, dude. Well, let's cook through all these plates.
Okay.
This one has 6 rounds on it, right?
Yes.
Yeah. This is the ceramic. We're going to lead off with the ceramic. Through that. Yeah, I sucked a whole bunch with it. Yeah.
She's dead, Jim.
Yeah.
We did it. Does this cause cancer in the state of California?
I'm not sure. I'm going to stand back a little bit.
You know, that's not as bad as I thought it would be.
Yeah, it's very localized. Do you think it takes more or less than the ceramic?
The ceramic was 5, I think.
Yeah, but it only had 6.
Yeah, this already has 9 in it.
You think it beats it? I think it beats it.
Well, yeah. Okay.
I think it
beats it.
Yeah, I think it beats it.
Seriously?
I am not even kidding, dude.
Oh my goodness.
What
I lost count.
the hell?
I have no idea.
I have, yeah, that's going to be a review of the tape for the
we can count because there was 25 left. So.
That is unbelievable. So that's where it went through.
Feel how thick that is now.
Oh my gosh.
That's the foam.
All right, we got to keep going. We got to keep going.
You've got to be kidding me. Everything that I just shot was centered right in here, as you can see. It is everywhere.
And then, okay, so that's solidly in the border. Yep.
We're going to have to count how many rounds that was, but my God, if you get hit with this many shots, you're doing something else wrong.
Yeah. A critical error. A series of critical errors have been made.
It's like a pillow. It's like a cancer-causing pillow. See how many shots it took?
Yeah.
It started balling up.
Yeah.
Look where that went. There's nothing left here because it's all balled up here.
Yeah, it's all sucked to the side.
That's amazing.
That is amazing.
I would bet money that if that hadn't balled up from all of these rounds, that would not have went through.
I think the carrier fails.
I think the carrier falls down before the plate fails.
All right. Yeah, pull that sucker out and see if we've got anything that even approaches.
This is going to give me lead poisoning.
Yeah, I have D-lead wipes. I think I have them in the truck.
There we go.
Yeah, just pull that aside. Oh, dude, that thing is going all...
Yep.
It's not even close, man. I'm glad that we didn't shoot it anymore.
There's a little bit of a divot right there.
Yeah, and I feel like there's a pit right there.
Yep.
Yeah. But I mean, exactly what you would expect out of a piece of AR-550.
Not even close.
Not even close. All day long. Learning has occurred this day. Now, as far as categorizing these plates, there's a couple different ways that we can do that from the results and just the metrics that we have. First and foremost, the lowest hanging fruit is going to be price. The steel is going to be the most cost effective. And then from there, the ceramic is going to be roughly twice as much as the steel. And the poly plate is going to be roughly twice as much as the ceramic. Now, if we go to weight, the steel plate is obviously going to be the heaviest. The ceramic plate is going to be a little bit lighter, but we're not talking leaps and bounds lighter. It's still going to be heavy. It's still going to be in that 7-pound range. Now, remember that the steel plate is an AR-550 plate. The poly plate is going to be roughly half the weight of the ceramic plate. It is now time to piss off a bunch of ceramic snobs. The ceramic plate was impressively poor on its anti-spall capabilities. We're talking the first string. We already started to see some things come through the cardboard. And then by the second one, yeah. Moving on to steel. Last year I did a full series of tests on Caliber's steel cored body armor plates. Same performance that we got this test to the previous test. This is fantastic. And the only thing that it was beaten by was the poly plate, which had absolutely ridiculous performance. Wow.
Still.
Holy sh... Degradation test. We stopped the steel plate test because we could have sat there all freaking day. Again, I have a full video testing the steel body armor plates. And I think I'll leave it at this. I say one thing in every single body armor video that I have ever done, and that is that all of these products are supposed to stop one round. That means round comes in, keeps it from perforating your torso, and keeps any of the fragments from doing any other damage to any other systems in your body. After the first round, all bets are off. And all of these tests that you see, even the ones in today's video, are very contrived. If you've been standing there for 8 or 9 rounds, then a series of critical errors have been made that led up to this point, and you got what's coming to you. Just be honest. And I don't think that there's a reason that you have to take crap from the internet snobs out there about the products that you buy. There should be a standard that you should meet. However, does it have to be that $450 plate? No, not necessarily. It's your decision, but the purpose of today's video was to draw into focus that there are options out there, and a product that's made properly can meet all of those parameters. Never buy anything that's made out of AR-500 steel. Most of the perspective that seeks to impugn individuals who purchase cost-effective body armor plates in the form of steel cored body armor does so off of data generated off of AR-500 cored armor. That's old tech. We don't use that stuff anymore.